Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to write a poem. It's going to be very easy. You just need to follow 4 easy steps and you are good to go. Number 1 step is that you just need to pick a fun topic. Choose anything kids like, for example, animals, school, outer space. To make it a little funny, choose topics like a puppy playing with a ball or a doll that talks. Kids like topics about toys too. Step number 2 is to choose a simple rhyme scheme. Line 1 should rhyme with line 2, and line 3 should rhyme with line 4. Have a look at an example of a simple poem for you to understand better. A cat in a hat sat on a chair. It wiggled and giggled with style and flair. It juggled some fish and sipped on some tea. A silly old cat as happy as can be. Keep the language simple. Use words that are easy to understand and rhythmic to say aloud. Easy words will help kids make a poem better. Add playful details. Kids love imagination to make things come alive, like a pencil that sings or a banana with shoes. Let the kids do some brainstorming, which is important to write a poem. See another example of a poem. The bouncy ball. A bouncy ball went down the street. It bounced so high it skipped a beat. It flew past cats and dogs and shoes and landed in a bowl of stew. Let's see another poem. Sleepy Bear. Sleepy Bear is in his bed, fluffy pillow neath his head. Dreams of honey fill the air. Buzzing bees are everywhere. Now another one. Magic Hat. I wore a hat, it gave a shout, and little stars came tumbling out. It sang a song, then did a flip. This magic hat's a crazy trip. Now let's have a look at the last poem. Hope this video is helpful for you. Let's see and read with me. My ball. I kick my ball, it hits the wall. I laugh and run, oh what fun. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.